Right from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, we use a lot of products manufactured by various brands. Some products are synonymous with a particular product. But did you know there are some companies that sold something else in the beginning and later changed into what they are selling today? Let us have a look at them. Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield is a motorcycle manufacturing company and is one of the most famous ones in the world. Do you know that before venturing into motorcycles, Royal Enfield manufactured rifles? Yes, you heard it right. Royal Enfield was set up to manufacture rifles for the British Army in the first half of the 20th century. Nokia. This popular mobile phone giant was set up in the 1800s for manufacturing paper in Finland. Later, they got into manufacturing mobile phones and went on to become a major player in the mobile phone market. Wrigleys. Known for its bubble gums, Wrigleys originally sold soap and baking powder in the 1890s. William Wrigley Jr. would sell them along with a tin of chewing gum to encourage his customers to buy them. Since the chewing gums became more popular than the baking powder, Wrigley switched to chewing gums and is now a huge chewing gum brand. Nintendo. Nintendo is a popular video gaming brand. It was founded in the 1880s as a playing cards company but couldn't make it big in the market. Before ending up as a gaming brand, it experimented with various industries like hotels, cabs, and TV networks. Colgate. What if we told you that this toothpaste brand was originally a soap and candle manufacturer brand? Yes, you heard it right. Colgate originally sold soap and candles. This company began its operations in the early 1800s, but only in the second half it switched to toothpaste. We have come to the end of this video. If you know any other brand which followed similar trends, do let us know in the comment section.